Welcome to PetesGuide. This is Metric Monday. In this week's episode, I'm going to be adding two missing pieces to this isometric M6 machine screw toolkit. The most obvious gap is right here, and what's going in there are Torx and Torx Plus sockets. One of the things that I've discovered is that for the M6 size of machine screw, there is only one size of Torx, external Torx, that's an E8, and one size of external Torx Plus, that's a 30 EP, I think is the correct nomenclature. Unfortunately, Wera does not make external Torx of any kind, at least not for quarter-inch square drive. And so I had to go with other brands. For the E8, this is actually a German tool also, Hazet, H-A-Z-E-T. And for the Torx Plus external, I have no clue what brand this is. No brand on the socket or the packaging, so call it brand X off of Amazon, and I had to buy a set of 6 just to get one number 10 EP Torx Plus socket. So I had to fit these in. I don't want to give up these hex sockets, so we need 2 more socket clips. Rail socket clips, socket rail clips. I'm not sure what the official name for these is. Put it down in the comments below if you know what the answer is. And I can't buy these from Wera, so I bought a whole bag of these from Vim Tools, V-I-M, and they seem to be like, they work well, but they're almost the same, but they're slightly different. So a little bit bigger, the edges aren't as polished, nice. Wera, can you sell these? That would be really cool. So to get these in, I need a tool I haven't shown you before. My favorite everyday carry. Yes, one of the larger Victorinox knives made. Swiss Champ XXL. XLT? I forget which. I should know that. Okay, so I'm going to take the jeweler's screwdriver, install it in the corkscrew, and slide it into that hook. Hook it on there, and we'll do the same thing with the other clip. Hook one side on the rail, slip the screwdriver on the other side, pull it forward, drop it down, release the screwdriver. That was so much easier than the first time I tried with a straight screwdriver blade. Made so many divots in this plastic rail. Maybe you won't notice them on camera, but boy, that frustrates me. So there's the E8 and the 10 EP, and that's basically it for this week, although I have a couple other comments. This looks functionally complete, but I have made a couple of errors, and there's an enhancement I want to make. I'm missing a bit because I didn't do my research thoroughly enough. I'm missing a bit of one of these types. I'm missing a size of one of these types. For another one of these tools, I have the wrong size. And that's why I'm building this toolkit so slowly, is to make sure that I have ample opportunity to find and fix all of my mistakes in figuring out the proper tools and sizes, etc. So let me know if you can have paid enough attention in my previous videos to spot the 2 errors I've made here. One wrong size and one missing size. And since these are full, I'm going to have to figure out which bit I want to get rid of in order to make room for a needed size that's definitely needed. This is PetesGuide closing down.